addicts, welcome back to the American Girl Addiction. I have the World Traveler Italy set. I bought it on sale from the American Girl store when I bought Yvette Peters. So I figured I'd go ahead and get it while it was on sale since I have 3 out of the 5, now 4. So let's get this one open. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go. Dump that out. So we have the little pamphlet. It's so cute. They have it all set up. That's a nice little bike. Kind of surprised American Girl didn't come out with that. Alright. Here is the straw hat. It's pretty sturdy. It kind of reminds me of the hat that went with like the boy beach outfit that they had a few years ago. We have these little sandals. They're so cute. I kind of like that like crossing intertwined pattern. Not sure how I feel about the fact that the tag is attached to the shoe and is longer than the shoe itself. I usually try not to cut the tags off of the items, just a personal preference, but you can't wear the shoe with the tag on, so I'm probably going to have to cut that one. That was my mom reacting to the ridiculous tag. Alright, and then here is the dress. I wasn't sure until now if it was like a dress or a shirt and skirt set, but it is a dress. And I like the pattern. It's pretty. It kind of reminds me of the stuff at Epcot where they have all the little countries. Or Busch Gardens, I guess, too. Oh. It's cute. It's a nice little sundress. So I think it's going to be very cute on the dolls, as you can see in the little pamphlet here. And again, I love how they have the little facts about the countries in here. Like about pizza, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and a little passport instructions, how to make a passport for your doll. So yeah, this is a cute set and I definitely recommend it.